Hi, this is Patty Southern Kitchen, and I'm going to fry some mustard chicken. And these are chicken tenders, and I put my seasonings on Magic Salt Free Seasoning by Chef Paul Perdone, Slap Your Mama, garlic powder, garlic pepper, onion powder. And I've mixed all these seasonings, and this is the batter that I'm battering it in, and this is cornstarch and flour, all-purpose flour, and it's just half of each. And I can't tell you how much I use. It just depends on how much you have to fry. I have my skillet right here, my cast iron skillet. I dipped my chicken tenders in the yellow mustard first, right here, the yellow mustard, and then I put my batter on it, and just watch and see how golden brown these chicken tenders are. We'll come right back. Look at the golden mustard fried chicken tenders, and they are delicious. If you like my videos, please like, follow, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded of the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.